It is so nice to be out of the office, filming something, getting creative, and just trying something new, whether it works out or not. I'm actually kind of nervous to fall on purpose. It feels so weird to do something on purpose. But that's kind of the point, actually. Sometimes I'm trying new things that I know probably won't work out because I'm trying them for the first time to see how they turn out. So weird in front of other people. Okay. So even when I fall, I'm determined to get back up again if things don't work out. And hopefully I can fit together something with this video that's 15 seconds. And now I actually have to get up, which is really not easy on a paddleboard with a life jacket. It always looks really bad. How do I normally do this?
We can do it, we can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same.
That's determination. And believing I can do it. Hi everyone, this is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. I'm on the water. I'm not standing up on my paddleboard because I didn't want to fall in because I have the phone out of the waterproof container. But I just wanted to hop on because part of the filming I was doing today was for an upcoming speaking gig. Because sometimes we just need to get out of the office and get creative. And even if we feel weird doing it, we should do it because then we actually grow and we can inspire everyone that we're trying to engage and reach because we're trying new things. And we're also, partly why I do this is to set the example that trying new things and to engage your audience is super important. If we want them to remember what we're trying to train, I'm just going to turn my board because the current's taking me. And so I just want to encourage you to do that, to try new things, get outside, away from the computer, and see what you can come up with being creative. Certainly nice. And this is part of being an entrepreneur. This is part of the entrepreneur life is to try new things, is to create content and to tap in and engage the audience members that would rather be outside, would rather be out in nature or do something active. They might be bored with one meeting after the next or the next training. So switching it up, getting creative, even creating a video clip with your phone. I have my phone in a waterproof case. It doesn't have to be on the water, but get creative. I encourage you to put your thinking cap on for how creative can you get to film a little video clip that you share in your next meeting that is in a different context, different backdrop. So it's get out of your office and do something creative so that you can just mix things up and tap into and reach the people that currently might be tuning out because they would rather be somewhere else. So bring that somewhere else here into the learning context, into your next meeting. I encourage you to get creative, do something new, even if it's stretching your comfort zone a little bit or you're not so sure how it's going to turn out, that's okay. I encourage you to try something new. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. I hope that you have a light bulb learning moment today and that you're able to facilitate those for your participants. A different, what's the word? I'm starting to float. In a different view. shoot it on. Oh boy. There's all this poop everywhere.